Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 5 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one, 2 plus 3. So first of all, we have to solve this one. So according to the rule, we have to solve this one. We will write this part as it is 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 plus 3, 5 raised to power 2. Here we will write as it is. And divided by 5 minus 3, we will write here as it is. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now move forward to step number 2. First we have solved the bracket or parenthesis. Now we have exponent part or order of operation. So we have 2 multiplied by 4 plus 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5 which is equals to 25 and divided by 5 minus 3. And here we have to give the reference 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, 25. Now move forward. We have solved this one. Now we have to see the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So what you have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have multiply by 4, which is we have to solve because according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the division and multiplication simultaneously. So we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 multiplied by 4. So first of all, we have to solve this one, which is 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8 plus 25 divided by 5. Again, we have to write as it is, and minus 3, we have to write this one as it is. So here we have 2 multiplied by 4 equals to. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 25 divided by 5. 8 plus 25 divided by 5 equals to 5 minus 3. We have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. Then we have to see. Now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 plus 5. Now we have solved all division and multiplication. Now we have to solve the addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and addition. So now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 plus 5, which is equals to 13. Minus 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 plus 5 equals to 13. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. We will subtract both of them and get the answer is 10. So the answer of the given expression is 10. if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.